Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will teach you how to enable administrator account in Windows 11 and 10. Without further ado, let's get started. This admin account is hidden by default, so you have to enable it using this CMD. All you have to do is search CMD, click on administration. In here, all you have to do is follow the same steps I'm about to show you. So the first one, type on net space user space administration space slash active column yes. Once done, press enter. In here, you will be needing to put this one, net space user space administration space asterisk. Once done, press enter. In here, you need to make a password and retype your password. Once done, press enter. And then the last thing you do, you need to exit account. Just type exit from CMD and log out from the current user. So on the bottom left, you will see administration account and log into your user account you just made earlier. Once you open this, you need to set up first your user account. So you can use this admin account to troubleshoot your computer, or you can do any task here. You can also disable this admin user account by logging to your actual user account. So in here, search CMD, click on administration, and then type net space user space administration space slash active column and no. Then press enter. And then just type exit to disable this administration account you just made. And then press enter. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.